Hey guys, today we are unboxing some heirloom roses and I am so excited. I have always wanted to try heirloom roses in my garden, and I have to be honest, I have become kind of a rose hoarder. So I'm gonna have to figure out where these are gonna go, but there's always room for roses. So today I'm gonna unbox the 2 roses that I've purchased from Heirloom for now. I'm gonna tell you about them, gonna share a little bit about Heirloom Roses because they are the sponsors for today's video, so that you can be informed when you go shop on their website as well. Heirloom roses are roses that are grown on their own rootstock, and there's special care that you want to take with them in the first year that you put them in the ground to ensure the greatest success. So we're going to talk about all of that in today's video as I show you these beauties that I got. I am so excited. I got a climber and a shrub rose, and I cannot wait to see how they perform in my garden this year. So let's hop in to today's video. Okay, so while we're unboxing, cute packaging, let's talk about why I am so excited to put these heirloom roses in the ground in my garden. Heirloom Roses is known for only selling on root roses. It's the most natural way to grow a rose, and I just, every time I think about it, I just smile from the inside. They offer over 900 variety of roses that are available year-round, so if you're like me, you like to shop early in the season, you can do that. But if you decide that you want to shop later in the season, there's always something available for you to choose from, which makes shopping for your roses that much more fun. They're family owned right outside of Portland, Oregon, go USA. And they use what's called viral and genetic testing to ensure they're delivering the healthiest rose, giving our plants the best start for a lifetime of beauty and vitality. Healthy roses. Healthy roses any plant starts with the roots, and they take pride in making sure that their roses are the best when they are sent to us to ensure that they perform the best in our gardens. So I'm really excited to have them. When we get ready to plant them, there are special planting instructions that you need to follow. Those are also located inside of the box as well. So when I get ready to put them in the ground, I'll come back and show you how you actually plant an own root rose to ensure you give it the greatest start in your garden. Okay, so now that they are out of the box, let's get them out the packaging and talk about what we got. So first up is Celestial Nights. But can we talk about how this dirt is not going anywhere? Like, ain't nothing coming out of here. Thank you, Heirloom Roses, for your packaging. It's zip tied. It is nicely packaged. I can't even cut the zip tie, y'all. Come on, there we go. Which I actually like a lot because it's held in the moisture in the dirt, and it's kept dirt from spilling out and going everywhere. So Celestial Night is a shrub rose. She has these beautiful dark, oh, that is nice and still wet. Like, she probably could have sat in the box for a couple more days and been just fine. But yeah, so when they send them to you, they defoliate them. And as you can see, she's happy. Got leaves coming in, nice and pretty. Looking back so I can see my monitor to make sure you can see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 main canes. Looks like they're nicely ventilated. And she's got new buds all over the place. So now that I have her out, I'm gonna put it out on the table just so it can get acclimated to the weather. We've got some really warm days coming, so I'm excited about that. And then I have to figure out where I'm gonna put it. So I have some thoughts about where I want it to go. I really think I want Celestial Night to be along the fence line so that that really deep, rich purple can pop as you go into the woodlands area. And I think it'll play really nicely with that deep pink of the knockout rose that's already planted there. Truth be told, if this does really well, I'm gonna pull the knockout and put it somewhere else and get another one of these and plant it in its place. But I am absolutely pleased at the health of this plant. She looks beautiful, and I'm so glad to have her out of the pot. Next up is Jasmina. Now, Jasmina is a climber. Oh, and I am really excited about Jasmina. I'm scared to cut the zip tie because I don't want to cut in my plant, but Jasmina has this beautiful kind of weeping habit. Every video that I have seen about Jasmina, and even the pictures over on the website, gorgeous, like stunning. So I've got an arbor that is 8 feet tall en route, and I think she would be perfect for this arbor. I was thinking though, and I'll show you guys where I'm thinking. There's 2 spots on the side of the house over on the east side, which where I'm thinking about planting her is the one spot in the yard over there that gets consistent light. Or I was thinking about planting her next to my antique rose over underneath my bathroom window, and letting it kind of grow over the window, but I think that'll be too much. So she's stunning. 1, 2, 3, 4 main canes. Looks like another one may come from there. She's also leafing out. Guys, I know y'all have heard about Heirloom, but I'm excited to finally try it. The bare roots, or the own root roses. The roses on their own roots, the packaging, the care plans and stuff like that over on the website, absolutely phenomenal, and I could not be more pleased with what we have right now. Now I'm excited to get them in the ground. So if you are looking to add some roses to your garden this season, head over to Heirloom. Check down in the description first. I've got some special savings for you down in the description, but head over to Heirloom and go check them out. Roses sell out quick, okay? So you want to go and check the site, and even if you see something and it's sold out, just add your name to the waiting list and they'll email you when it comes back in stock, and you'll be good to go. But it's gardening season, y'all, and I'm so excited about it. So let's figure out where these things gonna go, and I'll see you in the next video.